Hello, welcome back once again, and it's good to have you back. I'm going to be talking about bladder infections, and the bladder is located before the urethra. That is where there's a storage of urine in your body is the bladder. It stores urine, and so that when you want to ease yourself, you go through with your organ through the urethra. And so this bladder can be infected. So if you look at any storage device, be it biological, be it mechanical, be it electrical, usually have some faults because of what? When you keep on storing um, substances within you, the walls, the linings, and bacteria can stick on walls if it's metallic, if it's biological, or if it's electrical, like in capacitors. And so this storage, or if it's agricultural, like silos where you store food items, so there's bound to be bacteria growing or trying to grow if it's not well taken care of. And so that's why we are here, and let me open it up for you to understand more. You see, the bladder can be infected in many ways. So I'll show you guys a few of them, and one of them is through sex. This is especially for the women, young girls or women that have a new partner or frequent sex can have a bladder infection through the urethra, that is where the urinate from. So since the urethra is close to the mouth where the intercourse happens, so they are bound to have infections going in from the urethra to the bladder. And then also girls that take contraceptives are also open for these infections. Meanwhile, many men also experience bladder infections, especially when they grow older. Right? Many old men experience it, and it could just be because of the lifestyle they had before. They consumed a lot of alcohol, spicy food, sugary food. So you want to stay away from that kind of those kinds of food. If you take alcohol, it's not on the high side, and you take good alcohol because we have different types of alcohol. And then if you're eating spicy food, you need to cut down on your spicy food. Rather, you go for foods that are better for your system. Cut down on sugars and cut down on any food that can harm you. Rather, you take fiber, foods that are rich in fiber like fruits and vegetables and tomatoes. This will help the bladder to recover from the infection. Let me remind you that this infection is not serious except it's not treated. Alright, so I mentioned before that it happens to ladies during intercourse and happens to old men because of their lifestyle before that age in which they are. Some men at the age of 40, they see some men 50. Not like through infection, but because of the lifestyle they lived, it has made them to have the bladder infections. Then also bladder infections can come about through the environment in which you stay. That environment in which you do not take care of your surroundings, especially your private area. When you don't take care of it, then bacteria can go through there and infect your bladder. So for all people, all persons, children and adults, make sure you take care of your surroundings, your beddings, your clothing, so that any form of bacteria, staphylococcus, and organisms that might go through the urethra towards your bladder may not have a chance because your surroundings are already clean and you maintain good hygiene. Alright, so drop in the comments below if you have had any symptoms of this disease, because the disease has symptoms. One of them is your urine. You have a tint of blood in your urine, alright? And also you have pains around your pelvic region. When you want to urinate, you feel pains also. And then at times some persons vomit, some persons feel dizzy and unconscious just because of the bladder infections. And then some persons during sex they have pains. These are some of the symptoms, alright? Pains in the pelvic area when you want to urinate, difficulty in urination, blood in your urine, and then urgency, you want to always your urgency to go urinate, and then pains during sex, and you have nausea and you vomit. So if you have any of these signs, there are many ailments that can cause this, but one of them you should think about is bladder infections. Right, so the solutions already I've told you, I'll just remind you again. That you eat fiber foods, fruits, vegetables, cut down on spicy food. And spicy foods that contain salt and sugar, and then cut down on caffeine, coffee, and teas. Rather take alcohol in moderation, and also exercise, good hygiene. You can take a walk or a run for some days. Drink plenty of water, because when you drink plenty of water, it will help to wash off the bacteria as, because there's some herbs to take that can help you. So while you're taking the herbs or the drugs from the counter, you also apply these techniques: eat well, exercise, have good hygiene, and then when you follow this through, the infection will go gradually until you're free from the pains and the symptoms that we mentioned before. So you can comment in the section below you've had it before, how you felt, what you used to stop it, and then let us share our ideas together. Meanwhile, next episode I have many beautiful things to show you. So stay tuned and see you soon. Bye bye.